Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is the second episode of the Dahlia series. You can see how much the Dahlia has grown, and I have 5 pots, so 2 tubers of each variety: Dahlia Sandra, Dahlia Embassy and Dahlia Evelyn. Dahlia Evelyn in this pot is a bit smaller than the other plants just because the tubers were a bit smaller as well, but you can see that the other dahlias have grown so much and really big. This one is Dahlia Embassy, and this grows red flowers and really beautiful looking as well. There's a picture on top here. This one is the same. Dahlia Embassy as well, so I've just planted on both sides. This one is Dahlia Sandra. This one has pink flowers and really beautiful ones. Same with this one. This is the Dahlia Sandra as well, and I've just shown you this is Dahlia Evelyn with white flowers. So we are going to have a 25 degrees Celsius heat wave coming to UK, so at this time it's best to prune and pinch your dahlias so they can explode with growth during this week because of this heat wave, and they can grow so many flowers. So I've just pinched the top of this Dahlia Embassy. This one had some eggs, some insect eggs, and I'm going to spray the plants with some pesticides, and I have just pinched the top so that it can grow more branches. This Dahlia Sandra doesn't need pinching just because it's already really bushy. Same with this Dahlia Sandra. I'm just going to pinch one of those stems to make it look more bushy, and it can grow fuller in this 2 weeks heat wave time. This one doesn't need any pinching, but it's best to just remove any weeds or grass growing in the pot or around your dahlias if they are in the ground, just because the weeds just take up all the nutrients from the soil, and it just stops the dahlia growth. This might be the reason this dahlia is smaller than the other ones, but the other ones didn't have any weeds, so that might be the reason as well. It might also be other reasons. So at this time of the year, it's mid-June, it's best to now fertilize your dahlias as well. I did add the same fertilizers, Grow More all-purpose fertilizer, into the soil when I first planted these dahlia tubers. So I'm just going to add a handful of that around the base of the plant, but you need to just read the label on your fertilizer, and it's just going to boost up the growth, especially during these 2 weeks of heat wave, and it's going to push up new shoots and more flowers. So the next episode of Dahlia series is going to be about the flowers. So I really hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you later in the next video. Bye.